Hey guys, it's Jonathan Miller here. Hope you guys are doing well. So the other day I went to the press day at the International Auto Show in New York at the Javits Center. It was my first real international press day that I ever went to at any car show or gathering. So it was pretty exciting. It definitely was a different crowd than going to the regular car show. Lots of film crews and camera crews and crazy camera rigs. It was pretty interesting to see all the corporate guys there. So I had a really good time. It was a great experience. So I got a lot of footage, a lot of pictures, a lot of videos for you guys. So I did post online to see if you guys wanted a really long video with everything or if you wanted me to split it up. So I think this consensus was to split it up. So that's what I did. It's actually going to be in 5 different videos. So this is video number 4 where I took a look at these supercars. I take a look at a Pagani Huarya BC, Koenigseggs, Lamborghinis, Bugattis, and at the end, the North American debut of the Porsche 991.2 GT3RS. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment below, let me know what you think, and enjoy the video. So I'm here at the 2018 New York International Auto Show. I walk in, and in front of me is a Brembo booth and the Pagani Huarya BC. I've not seen a Pagani in person, so this is just absolutely unbelievable. The carbon fiber work on this car is just incredible. I mean, this car is just a work of art. That's why they cost $2 million. V12 twin turbo Mercedes AMG motor. The BC gets this big wing on the back. And then we'll just look at some of the stuff Brembo has. All the different colored calipers they offer. And here you go, a Formula E brake, carbon disc, Ford GT. I mean, that's huge. Here's my phone in comparison. Chevy Silverado, new Agera NSX, carbon ceramic, NASCAR brake system. Take some more looks at this Pagani. Of course, Pagani's rocking the Brembo carbon ceramic rotors. Fortunately, we can't get a look inside of this. You just see my reflection. That is the back of a Formula E car. I mean, that looks like the Batmobile. Look at that crazy rear diffuser, that rear wing. Is this the future of racing? It might be. This one is a Nissan Nismo sponsored car. It has the same halo device that they're currently running on F1. So if you are a sandal company that has sandals that look like a halo and you want to put your name on there, go for it. That's what a lot of F1 teams are getting right now. A lot of sandal company sponsorships. Pretty neat. It's got to be a lot of fun to drive. So we're at the exotic section here. It's a new Chiron Sport, red with the black two-tone carbon fiber. Here we have the Lamborghini Centenario, full carbon fiber. If you have a couple $1,000,000, you can buy this. If you have like $3 million, you can buy a Chiron. Here we have the Rimac Concept 2 full electric supercar, 0 to 60, 1.8 seconds. Koenigsegg Regera. Got full carbon fiber wheels. Here we have the Agera. Those really awesome doors. The GT3RS. Sorry. Here is a new Huracan Super Trofeo race car. Here we have the new 991.2 GT3RS. The White Sox package. You see the carbon fiber hood. The new NACA ducting for the brakes. Magnesium wheels. These awesome seats. Green inserts, carbon fiber buckets, titanium roll bar, PDK only, no manual, carbon roof. Wow, this thing is awesome. So would you want GT3RS, naturally aspirated, or GT2RS, turbocharged 700 horsepower? So I really hope you guys enjoyed those videos from the New York International Auto Show 2018 from the Javits Center. Let me know in the comments below what you liked, what you didn't like, what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe and like the videos if you enjoyed them. Take care. We'll talk to you guys soon.